Did you know that nearly 80% of small business owners overpay on their taxes every year? Imagine what you could do with those extra dollars. I'm T. Anderson, the tax accountant for Changemakers. And in this video, I'm going to break down the top tax deductions every Schedule C business owner should claim. Deduction number 1, the home office deduction. What is it? This deduction allows you to claim a portion of your home expenses for the space that you use exclusively for business. To calculate this deduction, you simply measure your office space, then divide it by your home's total square footage and apply that same percentage to your expenses like your rent, utilities, and insurance. For more details on this deduction, you can see IRS publication 587. Deduction 2, vehicle expenses. Now, this deduction allows you to deduct either the standard mileage rate or your actual vehicle expenses like gas, maintenance, and insurance. You do have to choose one method or the other. However, it is recommended to keep track of both for good business accounting purposes anyway, and then simply use the greater expense amount as your tax deduction. Whichever one is higher, that is the one you will claim on your tax. Now, here's a pro tip. If you drive a lot for business, you need to track your mileage meticulously. You can use a logbook or a mileage app, but you need to have the evidence readily available in case you have an audit. And, the 2024 standard mileage rate was 67 cents for every mile. And in 2025, the IRS standard mileage rate is 70 cents per mile. Now, quick disclaimer. Tax laws are always subject to change. For example, certain business expenses that were deductible in previous years are no longer deductible. Therefore, always consult a tax professional or visit irs.gov for the most up-to-date information. Okay, deduction number 3, marketing and advertising costs. This includes everything from your Facebook ads to flyers, business cards, to even your Canva subscription that you use to create your graphics. The IRS knows that marketing isn't just an expense, it's also an investment in your business. And therefore, the IRS allows you to deduct 100% of your marketing costs. By the way, if you are a change maker that operates a church, a nonprofit, or a small service-based business, and you want customized advice on organizing finances, increasing your profitability, or saving on taxes, then click the link below to schedule a financial clarity session and take the stress out of your financial management. Now on to deduction 4, education and training. This includes courses or certifications you're taking to improve your business or service or product skills. Those expenses are deductible as well. But keep in mind that the course must maintain or improve your skills, and it must be required by law or a regulation for keeping your license, the practice, and or your trade or profession. Which brings us to deduction number 5, professional services. Professional services are fees that you pay to lawyers, accountants, consultants, and other professionals. These expenses are also fully deductible. So to recap, the top tax deductions that Schedule C business owners should claim are 1, the home office deduction. 2, vehicle expenses, either standard mileage rate or actual expense cost, whichever one is higher. 3, marketing and advertising costs. 4, education and training. 5, professional services.